In Shanghai, this is about where we stayed for 5 nights. 2 hotels, 2 different vibes. The first hotel was Deer's Hotel, Shanghai Jing'an. The room we stayed in was a special queen room with 1 queen bed and has windows. The room was approximately 18 square meters, just enough for a couple. This room is so cool as it had a clothes rack stand and a standing TV. There's even a small work desk with a fridge with 2 bottles of water, cups, electric kettle, tissue and tea provided. The bathroom had an open toilet and an enclosed shower with shampoo and soap provided. Bath towels, hand towels and toothbrushes were also provided. From this room, you have a good view of the 1,000 trees across the Suzhou River. So that was a smaller sized room. This is a bigger room and more spacious, which we upgraded to. This room has a bigger bed and a longer desk with a proper mounted TV. In this hotel, instead of a cupboard for clothes, they gave a clothes rack to hang your clothes. On the table, you also have bottled water, cups, electric kettle, and tissue provided. This room is better, as both the toilet and shower are enclosed. Behind the lighted mirror, you can see through the tinted glass partition. Similarly, the essentials are provided: shampoo, soap, towels, toothbrushes, and hairdryer. Now it's morning and time for breakfast. Hotel breakfast was optional at about $16 per person. This hotel's breakfast has a good spread of Western and Chinese food: porridge, sausages, vegetables, onion rings, bread, and more. Have a pleasant breakfast and enjoy the view of Hengfeng North Road in Shanghai. Deer's Hotel breakfast hours run from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. They also offer lunch and dinner options. Deer's Hotel is a 16-stories building with 2 levels of basement car park. The restaurant we had breakfast was on the 3rd floor. The 3rd floor also had an all-day dining restaurant. So here's how to get to Deer's Hotel in Shanghai. Using Amap's search for Shanghai Jing'an the Air-Sea Hotel, which translates to Deer's Hotel Shanghai Jing'an. This hotel is a short 500 meters walk to and from the Shanghai Railway Station, which is both the high-speed rail and subway. To book your stay in this hotel, you can find the link in the description and comments below. The second hotel was Park Inn by Radisson Shanghai Downtown. It is just across the road from Deer's Hotel. Older but closer to the train station. The room we stayed in was a cozy queen room with 1 queen bed. This hotel room definitely feels equally as spacious as the previous hotel room. The room even feels brighter, but this room definitely has an older vibe to it. Included in the room is TV, bottled water, tissue, and a nice office chair at the glass desk. For a change, this room has a proper cupboard to put your clothes. The bathroom has a shower and bathtub together. Park Inn by Radisson has a very welcoming grand lobby on the first floor. If you need to exercise, there is a gym on the first floor. So this hotel is 14 stories high with lots of function rooms, grand ballroom, club lounge, and a cafe called Angel's Cafe on the third floor. Breakfast run from 7 a.m. to about 10 a.m. plus, depending on the day. Breakfast for adults is at 68 yuan per person net. Children have separate pricing. Nice that they have a reminder about peak breakfast hour. Park Inn by Radisson is also about 500 meters to the Shanghai Railway Station. So here's how to get to the hotel. On maps, search for Libo Hotel, Shanghai Square, Great Wall Branch. It is the location for Park Inn by Radisson.